Hey everyone, welcome back to another Live from the Lab video. Today we are going to go through the process of creating a virtual machine inside of our SvHCI environment. To get started, we will navigate to the Virtual Machines tab on the left-hand side. From here, we have the option uploading a disk image that will be available to the cluster. Since I've already uploaded our Windows Server image, we'll go ahead and skip this part. We'll go back to our Virtual Machines tab, then click Create Virtual Machine. From here, we'll start configuring our virtual machine settings. I'm just going to name this virtual machine Windows Demo. We'll leave the boot firmware on the default option, and we'll check the protected option, which means the virtual machine and data will be synchronized between the SvHCI nodes. Next, we'll assign the amount of memory and the CPU type and amount of cores. For the storage controller, we will leave this as PBSCSI and change the keyboard settings to US English. Now we just need to add our network settings. For our Windows virtual machine, we'll choose E1000 and put this on our management network and make sure the connected box is checked. Next, we'll add our CD-ROM and make sure we are booting to our disk image we previously loaded. Finally, we'll create our virtual machine disk. We'll give it a name and then choose the disk size and the storage pools. Now that we have all of our settings configured, we just need to click Apply, and it will apply our virtual machine settings and then create the virtual machine. Once completed, we will double-check our settings, and then we can power on our virtual machine and connect through VNC to go through our Windows setup. For the purposes of this video, we are going to just fast forward through all the actual Windows setup that I am sure all of you have went through 1,000 times, but we'll show the start of the setup process. Once we have completed the setup configuration, our virtual machine will restart, and we can complete the installation process by setting the administrator password and then finally logging on. Now that our virtual machine has been created, we can go back to SvHCI, and we can see that in our Virtual Machine tab, we have our newly created Windows Demo virtual machine. We can also quickly see which host the virtual machine is running on and what actions are available. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of how to create a virtual machine inside of SvHCI. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick how-to videos on StorMagic products.